यहाँ तक क्या हो गया सबका? Everyone had calculated percentage.
यस मैम, हो गया.
Let everyone comes. We'll wait for 1 minute. Now in next step, you need to calculate the secondary reinforcement. So for calculation of secondary reinforcement, first of all, you need to calculate again AST. The formula to calculate AST is 0.12% of B into D. Again, B is 1000 and D is 225. The value comes up to be 270 mm square. Here you have to use for secondary reinforcement, you have to use 8 millimeter 5 bars. And again, you need to calculate the spacing. So first of all, do up till here, then we shall proceed further. Okay, done. Okay. Now for spacing, again as you are using 8 millimeter 5 bars, so pi by 4 into 8 square into 1000 upon 270. That is the value for of AST that you had calculated just now. And the spacing is coming to be 186.16 mm. And for secondary reinforcement, the maximum spacing you are having, that is 5D or 450 mm. So it is less than this, so it's okay. So you have to provide 8 millimeter 5 bars at the rate of 175 mm center to center. So here also you are taking minimum spacing 186 value here. We are going to round it off, that is 175 mm center to center. Then the next step is for check for shear. But before proceeding for the next step, complete up till here. Then we shall proceed for the next step, that is step number 8. Yes, done. And the next step is for check for shear. Now you have to check for the shear. either your section is safe for the shear or not. तो maximum shear force की value देखो when you have calculated shear force and bending moment in the earlier step. तो maximum shear force देखो आपको कितना मिला था. maximum shear force आपको मिला था 40.75 किलो न्यूटन. So we are going to take the maximum value for the shear force, that is 40.75 kilonewton. Then the B you are having, that is 1000 mm, D 200 mm. Then the value to calculate, formula to calculate tau V is VU upon BD. VU is nothing but the shear force, that is 40.75. Again you have to convert it in Newton. So into 10 raised to power 3 upon B into D. So tau V की वैल्यू आपको मिलती है 0.203 मेगा पास्कल. And minimum percentage already you have calculated, that is 0.39. Now for calculation of tau C, refer IS code 456-2000, page number 73. So refer IS code. See, you are having M20 grade of concrete and percentage minimum you had calculated it as 0.39. तो आपको M20 grade of concrete, so you have to do the interpolation between 0.25 and 0.50. 0.25 के लिए आपके पास वैल्यू है 0.36 और 0.50 के लिए आपके पास में वैल्यू है 0.48. बट आपका परसेंटेज मिनिमम की वैल्यू आई है 0.39. So you have to do the interpolation. After that, you are going to get the value for tau C. In from this table, from page number 73, table number 19. Sorry. You need to calculate the value for the tau C, that is design shear strength of the concrete. So note down these values. For 0.25 के लिए आपके पास में वैल्यू है 0.36 और 0.50 के लिए you are having the value 0.48. So 0.39 के लिए you have to use the interpolation method to calculate the value of tau C. So tau C की value after interpolation आपको value मिलती है 0.4272. 0.4272 you are getting after interpolation. And for K, again you need to calculate. For D आपको पता है D is 225 mm and what is K? K is nothing but the overall depth of the slab. So again for calculation of K, you have to refer the IS code page number 72. See, आपका K का value you have to refer from here, from clause number 40.2.1.1, page number 72 of your IS code. So आपका ओवरऑल डेप्थ कितना है 225. तो 225 के लिए K की वैल्यू है 1.15. So you have to use this value of the K. So K is 1.15 for D, 225. This is from the IS code, page number 72. So K into tau C की वैल्यू आपको मिलती है 0.491 मेगा पास्कल. So tau V is less than K into tau C. Therefore your design is safe for year. अगर यहाँ पे आपका डिजाइन अनसेफ आता था तो आप क्या करते थे, यू हैव टू चेंज द शियर फोर्स. शियर जो आपने मैक्सिमम शियर फोर्स की वैल्यू ली है वो आपको मैक्सिमम ना लेते हुए जो भी दूसरी वैल्यू आई है आपके शियर फोर्स बेंडिंग मोमेंट कैलकुलेशन में, दैट वैल्यू यू हैव टू कंसीडर फॉर द डिजाइन. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? एनी क्वेरी? सॉल्व विद दिस स्टेप नंबर 8. after completing step number 8, let me know. And if you are having any of the doubt in this step, you can ask. Okay, are you getting exactly same answers? Done with this step? We are running short of time. I think your another lecture is there at 2:30. Complete this step. The remaining portion we'll see tomorrow. But please join on time tomorrow because we have to complete at least minimum 2 questions in tomorrow's tutorial. Okay. That completed?
Yes.
Okay, those who had completed, they can give your attendance. Those who had completed, give your attendance in the chat box. Yes, Tanvir, mute yourself. We are running short of time, so I will end this meeting today. We'll proceed this sum tomorrow.